Kia ora and welcome back to another quick little endorseMe tutorial. In this video we're going to have a look at how to add an external endorser, edit them and assign them to students, and take a quick look at what our external endorsers will see. So we're in our Career Central dashboard here again, and we want to open up our external endorsers. So there are two ways we can access our external endorsers. The first is by clicking this blue button here on our dashboard, and that will take us to this page here. Or we can either go through this navigation menu on the left here, and by clicking the External Endorser tab, View External Endorser, and we can see that's the same window here. So we'll have a look at creating a new external endorser. So we're just clicking this blue button here in the top right hand corner that says New, and the first thing we need to do is type in an email address. So once you've typed that email address in, you just click Next on the right hand side, and it takes you to this form here, and you just fill in the endorser's details. Now these details here are what is displayed on that student PDF, so leaving it blank will just have blanks on that there. You also need to select whether or not they're a gateway coordinator. We'll just leave that as no on this one, and set them a password. Now, as we've mentioned before, our external endorsers need to be approved in order to access their account. So you just change that from no to yes. And then once you've got all those details in, you just click Create. And we can see our new endorser's been added here. So to edit an external endorser, you just click the blue Edit button next to their name, and it gives you the same fields to fill out as you did when you registered them. So an external endorser can only endorse the students or the young people that have been added to them. So for example, you might have a young person who's out on work experience and you've added an external endorser, but you just want to add that one student to them, or the 3 or 4. So you just go through your list of students here, or you can search them by their name and click to add a student to them. So we'll add this account here, and then you can see the button goes red, so you can click Remove if need be, and we'll add a couple of students to this, and then we'll show you what it looks like from the endorser's point of view. And then just click Update to save all your changes. Now when you register a new external endorser, they're sent an email to log in to their account. So we'll have a look at what that looks like. It comes up like this, and there's a button here for them to pick their own password. So they just click on this one, and it takes them through to Career Central, so they just type in their email address and pick a new password for themselves. Now the other way you can add a new external endorser is by clicking this External Endorser tab here, and then clicking Add New, which takes you straight to that form. Now I'll sign out of my account here, and I'll show you what it looks like for an external endorser. So this is the account of the endorser we've just created. We can see that there's no endorsements just yet, but if we click Students on the left here, we can see there's those 3 students that we added just before, and then they can endorse them. But we'll have a separate video for our external endorsers that shows them everything they need to know. For our other tutorials and any other help you might need, have a look on our website www.endorseMe.nz, or email our help desk. Everything will be linked in the description of this video.